How to install Hot IPTV on smart TV in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use Hot IPTV on your smart TV. So first of all, you have to open or start your smart TV, turn on your smart TV, and then you have to come to Google Play on your smart TV and search for Hot IPTV. Hot IPTV, and if in case on Google Play you are not finding the Hot IPTV app, you can just open a new tab and search for Hot IPTV APK on a browser. And after that, as you can see, there are the third party websites that has the Hot IPTV APK for Android. You just simply can click on it and click on free download, and after downloading the file you can just install your Hot IPTV APK to your smart TV and you are good to go. You can use and watch the international TVs and the channels from this Hot IPTV. And that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.